This is the Sofia Nature channel. The amazing world of Sophia. Polar Bear 456. Sophia's discovering her nature. And as Sophia discovers the wildness, she discovers that she cannot just eat grass. She has to figure out where dog food comes from. Does it come from the supermarket, or does it come from the ground? She chooses the ground. You could comment if it's a great choice. On Sophia's Nature channel. As the Sophia points her ears up, her snout goes downwards. In mysterious ways, she hears a bird. As her scruffy little beard hears and sniffs, she still does not know what to survive on. And yet, the little tiny dog is very, very strong. And as the grass blows up, whoosh, whoosh, she does not know what to do. And as it's getting darker out, time just ticks by. Tick, 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 ticklers. This is Sophia signing out on our nature cast. Sophia says goodbye.